Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you which functions you can use with the help of this digital crown on your AirPods Max headphones. But first, don't forget to subscribe to this channel to see more useful videos. First of all, to use those buttons, you need to wear your headphones. But I will show you it on our teddy bear. First thing first, when you tap once on this button, it will play or stop the music. I'm gonna show you now. So here's my phone. I'm gonna tap once, and as you can see, it starts playing. I'm gonna tap one more time, and it stops. If you tap twice on this digital crown, it will move you to the next song from your playlist. If you tap 3 times, it will go back to the previous song. So if you press this digital crown once, it will allow you to take the call. If you press it once, one more time, it will mute your conversation. If you tap twice on this button, it will end the conversation. So that's all for now about the function Digital Crown. I hope this video was helpful for you, and thank you so much for watching.